first of all, this is Jim Deadman. This is Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. This is my humble shop, and the purpose of today's video is to announce the 1,000 subscriber drawing and all the appropriate information. So what we're going to do is the drawing is going to consist of 2 first prizes, and I will go into them in detail. One of them is a donated first prize by my real good friend Jim Enos at Tangent Engineering, and the part about his donated prize, Jim has asked for several things there, and I will have to do that in respect for what Jim's asked for. But that's one prize. The other one is going to be a shop-made gift of mine. Now, I'm going to repeat this several times through the video, but here's what the deal is. My email address is for the channel is jdeadman91@gmail.com. I will put pictures of everything through here, several places, hopefully in this video, to remind you of that. What I want you to do, if you want to enter in this drawing, is to email me your name, your address, and everything. And then I will take the names and we will do an old-fashioned hand draw. Either I will get Chris or my granddaughter or somebody to draw the name. So that's what the plan's going to be. And I will go a little further than that. I'm going to leave this video, this is going to be open for 30 days. So we're going to do it. This video should be out December the 26th. I'm hoping to get it out by then. So you have till January the 26th to enter. You know, basically one entry to email, so due to the restrictions we will give you in the video. Now, I will say this. The prize that I'm giving, my shop-made gifts, we will show them later in the video. There is no restriction anywhere in the world they go to. The shipping's going to be on me. So that part is my gift. The donated gift will be different, and I will cover it when I get to it. So folks, I want you to listen very carefully, and I'm going to show you what here in a minute what the gift that Jim Enos has given, and explain the situation with it for you. So with no further ado, let me get over here to the workbench and we'll show you what we got. So let me just stand up, cut the camera off, we'll get over there. In this box is a demonstration quill wheel from Tangent Engineering, Mr. Jim Enos. Jim contacted me and wanted me to offer to my subscribers for my 1,000 subscriber drawing giveaway a quill wheel. This quill wheel will be part of the gift package. So this is how it's packaged. I just lifted it out of the box, and this one here, I don't, he just sent me one. This one, I don't know exactly what it fits. So here's the deal. The lucky winner I will forward your email and information to Jim. Jim will ship you, he will email you, and you will need to get together with Jim with your meal. Now there's several disclaimers to this, and I'm going to go ahead and go over them now. And then I'm going to go over this quill wheel and the functions and the price and the website and all that if you want to purchase one. Because I am going to, Jim did ask me to do that, so that's going to be in this video. So here's the situation with the quill wheel prize. That's why I said I'm going to actually have what I call 2 first prizes. Jim has donated me this quill wheel. So there's 2 things. First, you got to have a Bridgeport type mill for it to fit on. So if you don't have the mill to fit on, obviously, you're not eligible for that. Secondly, Jim is going to ship these, and he said basically in North America, he will ship these out. I'm not paying the shipping, Jim is. So that's the two restrictions on this wheel. And I'll repeat that again. Jim, you need to have a mill that it will fit on, because Jim doesn't design these to fit on benchtop mills. You'll have to have a Bridgeport type mill, and or be in North America. Jim will provide you the ship it, and basically he will directly ship this to you. All I'm going to do is forward him the email. Now, let me get into some functions and I'll come back and we'll discuss this thing a little better. For the folks who are not lucky or are interested in maybe going ahead and purchasing one of these wheels, this is Jim's information, and I'm going to leave it on the screen while I'm talking. This is his telephone number right here. And he also has an eBay store. And let me just turn the wheel over, set it back down here. There's the website too, quillwheel.com. So what Jim, does is he's designed these items. He sells these items through his eBay store and direct. And he has given some of these wheels to several eBayers. I know Mr. Pete's got one. I know several other folks he sent them to. Out here in eBay land as demonstrators, a lot of us has been guinea pigs for him, because there are so many of these knee mills out there. So when you get your box, your quill wheel, let me stop. Quill wheel will be packaged just like this. And Jim has a big disclaimer on the back right here. Let me see if I can zoom in there, you can read it. Basically what he says, do not damage or discard this box till you're sure it fits the machine. Jim is a just stand-up guy, bear in mind that sometimes things have to be done. Maybe miscommunications on people's part. But bottom line, Jim wants these things fit your machine. And like I say, this is the demonstrator wheel that's in my box. Now I'm going to show you something else. Before I go in depth of that, let me just go back. This is the wheel right here. And this is what Jim's giving. And I'm going to say this. If you're interested in buying a wheel, I think he gets $150. I think that's his price for him. Just reach out to this email here. I'll put that in the links in the bottom. And Jim will get with you on email. He will hook you up if you want to buy one of his wheels. These are real jam-up products. I'm going to show you one on my mill. This is the one on my personal mill. Jim has got a lot of development in these things, and this is my personal one you've seen me use. I'm going to tell you, it's a really great item. I'm really thankful that Jim has put a lot of faith in me and my small shop by being a brand ambassador for him and his fine product here. So I got to be thankful for that. So I'm going to sit down over here and I'm going to give you some details. Okay, this is going to be the shop made gifts. One of my oil cups that I give away. And I always give these away, and these are standard option. If folks email me, I'll send you one of these, but I'm going to put it in my package. And I have made a set of 6 coasters. Now, right now, I'm waiting on my felt to glue to the bottom. So they will have to, and these are a little larger than the ones I made for family gifts, and there's 6 of them. They're solid aluminum, and they've been machined on the lathe here. And in fact, there's a video on this you may see somewhere later on. So this is going to be the shop gift that I'm going to give away to you. Basically a set of coasters, shop made coasters that I made personally, machined here in the shop. These are a little larger, and I will show you for reference. These are the ones that I've made in the past. I made these off some plastic ones. As you see, these are lots larger. So you can put your coffee cups and stuff in them. I made these off of some plastic ones I had here at home. while they're good for a standard glass or whatnot, you can't put your coffee cup down in them good. So that's what these are for. So that's the Saw-Log plastic hub gifts that I'm making. That's going to be in the drawing. So the bottom line is two different sets of gifts. There's the one that Jim Enos is given, and there's the one that I've made. So I'm going to go back. We're going to do a closing, and we're going to wish everybody good luck. All right, folks, we're going to do a recap here. And I'm going to try to make it short and sweet, because it's hard to explain this. So let me try one more time. The drawing consists of two separate gifts. We will give away both gifts. So here's what you have to do as the viewer. First of all, you don't have to be a subscriber. If you see this video and want to enter, email me at jdeadman91@gmail.com. In the subject line, put 1,000 subscriber drawing, and in the first line underneath, put I'm eligible. I want to be in both drawings. And when you're telling me that, I know you're living in North America and you have a Bridgeport type meal. If you don't have a Bridgeport type meal or live outside of North America, just put I'd like to be in the shop drawing. And then put your address, your name and your address, please. Then we will do this. We will draw the names. What we'll do, if you're eligible for both drawings, we will put your name and I'll put a little B out the side of it. The reason being is the day of the drawing, what's going to happen is simply this. We're going to put all the names in a bucket or hat or pot or whatever, basket, draw them out. First name comes out, we're going to look at it, and if you're eligible for both drawings, you're going to automatically get the quill wheel, and then we'll draw for the shop gift. If the first name comes out is somebody that's eligible for shop gift, we will continue drawing till the first name that's eligible for both gifts. That's the simplest way I know how to do it. After that, I will take, if you win our shop gift, what I'm going to do is I'm going to box it up, put it in the mail, send you an email, congratulate you the winner, and it'll be on video. If you're eligible for the wheel, I will get you in touch with Jim Enos. You'll get an email from me personally, with my thanks, and you will get up with Jim. So you'll need to get together with Jim on how to fit, or which type of meal you got, what kind of wheel you need, or whatever. Remember, the wheel I'm showing today is just a demonstration wheel. It will be sent back to Jim Enos. Jim is donating the wheel. So at the shipping and the rules around the wheel are Tangent Engineering's rules, and I understand that completely, because shipping these wheels can get kind of expensive. But I do not want to leave one potential viewer out not getting a gift, or chance at a gift. So that's why we're doing the two gifts. So one of the things I want to remind you of, a couple things. Thanks each and every one of you. You've made this milestone possible. You've made this drawing possible. So we will basically, we're going to do it old school with paper. We're not going to do no random number. We're going to put your name on a piece of paper, double boost style, and pull it out. And we will get in touch with you. So that's why I asked you to put that address. It makes it a lot simpler. Instead of me having to email you, chase you down, email it to us and send you your address right up front. After this drawing's done, your address will be thrown in the trash. It'd be done with. I'll keep a list of them long enough to do the drawing, and we'll dispose of them. They will not be sold, used for any other purpose except my drawing. And that's just to make it expedient to me get back with you and get you your gifts. I want to thank you for stopping by watching the video. I want to thank Jim Enos at Tangent Engineering for being so generous to donate a quill wheel to my channel for my subscribers who can use one. So I want to wish all of you good luck, and we'll see you when we do the drawing. And I hope to have 2 lucky winners and 2 happy people. But I'm already the happy one because you stopped by today to watch the channel. And get them entries in. I'd like to have several hundred entries. I want to give this stuff away to deserving people. So with all that being said, we'll see you in the next video.